Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can save as much money as you can in Shein. So, if you want to save money in Shein, this video is for you. As you can see, there are a lot of vouchers and sales occurring on Shein. If you go ahead and open the vouchers and apply these vouchers in one of your purchases, you will get around 50% off. So you can see that there are 10, 30 and 40% off. And if you go to the flash sale, you can see that these kind of products have around 40 to 50% sale in most of the items. You can apply these and then get the discount in these things. You can scroll around and let's suppose I want to buy this item. I'll click on it and you can see that it has 52% sale. After you click on it and further you apply the voucher, you will save more money than usual. So this is how you can save money in Shein. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.